Okay, so in this video, you are going to learn how to copy and paste pictures in a Word document. Okay, so notice how you've got a bunch of animals right here, and then we've got categories here: insects, amphibians, mammals, fish, reptiles, and birds. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the insects and paste them here, paste the amphibians, paste the mammals. You get the idea. All right, so we're going to start with insects. So we have to know what the characteristics of insects are. So the characteristics of insects, they typically have 3 separate body parts, and they have an exoskeleton, meaning their skeleton is on the outside of their body instead of the inside. So let's say I'm going to choose a picture that I think is an insect, and I'm going to click on it. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can copy and paste. Notice once I click on it, I've got a square around the picture. Okay, I can use my mouse to copy and paste. So I'm going to right-click my mouse, and then I'm going to choose Copy. Then I'm going to go down to where I want to copy the picture to, and I'm going to click there. See how I've got my cursor there? And then I'm going to right-click again, and then under Paste Options, I'm going to choose Keep Source Formatting, and that's going to paste that picture where I want it to go. Now, there's another way to do it without your mouse. I'm going to go ahead and click on the butterfly again, except this time I'm going to hold down the Control key on my keyboard. That's the key at the bottom left-hand corner of my keyboard. There's also another one at the right-hand corner of my keyboard. I'm going to hold down that Control button, and then I'm going to tap the C key, and that copies the picture. Then I'm going to go down here to where I want my picture pasted, and this time I'm going to hold down the Control key, and I'm going to tap the V key. V is in violet, and that's going to paste the picture where I want it to go. So those are 2 ways to copy and paste. Once you've copied and pasted the pictures where they go, you're going to save the document and turn it into your teacher the way that she instructs you to do so.